Hi, this is your lucky sir. Today we'll go with limiting reagent concept. Actually, what is limiting reagent? Let's go with some simple daily life examples, right? Fine. Think you, let's take your name. For example, you are Mr. Karthik. And you have one very good friend, Ram, and another good friend, Lakshman. You three, Karthi, Ram, and Lakshman, very good friends, of course. You went to one bakery, you say? You are very fond of eating chocolates. Dairy Milk Silk, Dairy Milk Silk, again Dairy Milk Silk. So you are very much interested in that. Karthi is with the money. Ram and Lakshman simply joined the company. They don't have any money now. That this thing is not known to Karthi. Friends में सब कुछ चलता है ना. So Ram and Lakshman and Karthi went to this shop. There were plenty of chocolates. They wanted to buy 3 chocolates, each 70 rupees. Okay, I know only 70 rupees chocolate in Dairy Milk Silk. Maybe 200, 210, 300 rupees chocolates are also there. I generally go with this. 70 rupees chocolates. 3 chocolates they want to have. 3 into 70 is 210, right? So they need 210 rupees. Karthi checked his purse. This fellow is having 200 rupees. Shop wala isko nahi janta hai. Okay, na, he is unknown to these 3 people. Ram and Lakshman, they don't have even 10 rupees. 10 rupees also not there with them. They have only 200 rupees. Mobile भी नहीं है इसके पास गूगल पे कुछ करने के लिए. No credit cards, nothing. Okay. So, शॉप वाले बोले 210 रुपये दो. इसके पास 200 रुपये है. So, Karthi said 10 rupees tomorrow will give uncle. No. He said simply no. उधार वाली बात कल. Okay ना, आज नगद. So 200 rupees they have. They need to pay 210. What they are going to do? Simple logic. They want to eat each one chocolate at least 70 rupees. And there they have only 70 rupees chocolates, not 60 rupees chocolates. So 70 rupees chocolates are only their choice. Now what they are going to do is they will be buying 2 chocolates for 140 rupees. Remaining 60 rupees change Karthi is going to keep. That is a common sense based point. Okay ना. You don't say that sir 2 70 रुपये वाला लो 1 60 rupees वाला लो चलेगा. Okay. There they have only 70 rupees chocolates and the shop wala is not accepting any 10 rupees debt also. So the thing is very simple. Now they are buying only 2 chocolates. That is because of all deficiency of money. They don't have required amount of money. This is called now limiting reagent. 200 rupees is now limiting reagent. Money is the limiting reagent now. We'll go into another scenario. These 3 fellows, Karthi, Ram, and Lakshman. Now, next day, they wanted to go to the same shop. This Karthi fellow know about his 2 friends. He knows that they are not going to carry any money. So simply he brought around 500 rupees by asking their parents. Remember, बच्चे 500 rupees लेके आए. Now, Ram and Lakshman, they don't have any money as usual. They came to shop, ordered 3 chocolates. But this time, bad luck. Shop wala has only 2 chocolates. One, another. Only 2 chocolates are there. He said that only 2. Why? Only 2 I have. So this time also, they bought only 2 chocolates. This time the problem is shop wala. Shop wala has only 2 chocolates. That's why they can buy only 2 chocolates. Now the limiting reagent is chocolates. Chocolates ज़्यादा नहीं है. आप कितने भी पैसे 500 रुपये से आप कितने खरीद सकते हो. ओके ना, 7 टेबल में जाओ आपको. ओके ना, 7 6 7 7 7 7 49 7 खरीद सकते हो आप. लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 ही है. So you are going to buy only 2 chocolates. When you can buy only 2 chocolates, now this is the limiting reagent. चलो अच्छा हो गया. नेक्स्ट डे बोले तो एक हफ्ते के बाद सोचो रोज चॉकलेट खाने के लिए शॉप में जाना भी अच्छी बात नहीं है, डोंट गो एवरी डे। ओके, एक 1 वीक के बाद सोचो, दिस KRL, ओके ना, Karthik, Ram and Lakshman wanted to go to the shop. Okay, fine. Karthik, as usual, he bought 500 rupees by asking his parents. Ram and Lakshman, as usual, na? Okay, na, they are coming without money. Just take it for fun. Okay, na, don't think another way. So, what happened, we don't know, but Ram was absent on that day. When Ram was absent on that day, only Karthik and Lakshman went to the shop. Karthik and Lakshman went to the shop and they bought 2 chocolates only. Now this time, so many chocolates are there in the shop. Eating more than 1 chocolate is not good for the health. So this is caution. Okay, na, statutory warning type. It will be there, na. Drinking of alcohol, smoking cigarettes is injurious to health. Like that, eating of more than 1 chocolate is also injurious to health. So don't eat too many chocolates. Okay, I am saying for your betterment only. So 2 chocolates only they are buying. This time they have money. There are so many chocolates in the shop, but now the persons are less. Only Karthik and Lakshman are present. Ram is absent. Because of this reason, now you can say this is the limiting reagent. So what we need to check is which is in lesser number, that is called a limiting reagent. This is all general chemistry. Now I will take you into chemistry. Okay, general points I was saying. Now I will take you into chemistry. Very simple logic, you see. Methane, CH4 plus oxygen 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2. This is combustion of methane reaction. This is gas. If the temperature is around 25, below 100 degrees Celsius, you can say water is liquidiform. Fine. This is exothermic reaction. Delta H is negative, whatever it is. Here you can see 16 grams of methane. 1 mole means 16 grams of methane. It requires 2 moles of oxygen. 2 moles of oxygen means 2 into 32 grams of oxygen. So you can see 16 grams of methane requires 2 into 32 grams of oxygen. What they will give you in the question is 16 grams of methane is given to you in the question, and they mention 32 grams of oxygen is supplied. But actually for 16 grams of methane we need 2 into 32, that means 64 grams of oxygen is required. But in the question only 32 grams of oxygen is given. When only 32 grams of oxygen is given, आप सीधा बोल सकते हो ये बहुत कम है. So this is the limiting reagent and you need to answer the question based on this only. आप इसको नहीं लेंगे, this is excess. You are going to calculate the answer based on this only. What they can ask you, क्या आप पूछ सकते हैं आप. Okay, the things they can ask you is what is the amount of carbon dioxide found. You can say according to methane, according to oxygen, but if you are going to answer according to methane, that is wrong. गलत हो जाएगा, आप उधर से मत जाइए. आपको सीधा देखना है ऑक्सीजन कितना है. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन 2 मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, दैट मीन्स 2 into 32 ग्राम्स आप लेंगे तो आपको 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल जाएगा, दैट इज़ 44 ग्राम्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल जाएगा. 64 ग्राम से आपको अगर 44 ग्राम्स मिल गया तो 32 ग्राम्स आपको दे दिए तो कितना मिल जाएगा. 32 into 44 by 64 इज़ नथिंग बट 22 ग्राम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आपके पास है. दिस क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क यू वेरी वेरी सिंपल. एक क्वेश्चन है. Otherwise, they can ask you what is the amount of water. Otherwise, they can ask you what is the volume of carbon dioxide. What you need to check is which is limiting reagent, which is in lesser quantity. एक और example लेंगे हम. With that example, you will be getting more clarity. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to ammonia. You can see here this is 1 mole, this is 3 moles. Okay, and this is 1 mole means 28 grams. This is 3 moles means 3 into 2, that is 6 grams. सोचो आपके क्वेश्चन में ये दिया गया है 2.8 ग्राम्स और ये दिया गया है 6 ग्राम्स. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन में आपको 2.8 ग्राम्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, 6 ग्राम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन दिया है. पहले इक्वेशन से आपको सीधा पता चल रहा है कि 6 ग्राम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन के लिए 28 ग्राम्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन चाहिए. You need 28 grams of nitrogen for 6 grams of hydrogen. 6 grams of hydrogen is given to you. That's good. But only 2.8 grams of nitrogen is given. So सीधा पता चल रहा है आपको ये कम है. So this is your LR, Lakshma Reddy sir. Okay, now this is your limiting reagent. Okay, this is the limiting reagent here, and whatever the calculation you are going to make, you are going to do based on this nitrogen, not on hydrogen. और इसी क्वेश्चन को दे कैन आस्क यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो. सीधा हम वॉल्यूम के लिए एक क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे. CO प्लस O2 गिव्स राइज टू CO2. सीधा बैलेंस कर लेंगे पहले ही. दिस इज गैस, दिस इज गैस, दिस इज गैस. You can see here this is 2 moles, this is 1 mole. What they can ask? This is given 2 liters, this is given 2 liters. Question at STP conditions, what is the volume of carbon dioxide formed? They can ask you this one. 2 liters, 2 liters वो 4 लीटर हो जाए बोल के सीधा मत लो आंसर. ओके, पूरा पूरा गलत मत करो, आराम से करो. यहाँ पे देखो 2 moles is there. 2 moles means 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters. So 2 moles means 2 into 22.4 liters at STP. This is 1 mole. 1 mole means 22.4 liters. आपको सीधा 2 लीटर दिया गया है. ओके ना, आप कौन सा भी एक लो पहले. अगर इफ़ इट इज़ गिवन 2 liters, how much it is required? 2 liters into 22.4 by 22.4 into 2, that is equals to 1 liter. That means आपको 1 liter का ही ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है. ओनली 1 लीटर ऑक्सीजन इज नीडेड. आपको इतना ही कॉफी. बट एक्चुअली व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन बेटा? 2 liters ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज गिवन. व्हेन 2 liters ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज गिवन, सरासर पता चल रहा है आपको ये एक्सेस हो गया है और ये है आपके लिए लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. एंड वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट, दैट इज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए आप देखेंगे. So 2 moles of carbon dioxide, that means 2 into 22.4 liters will be giving you 2 moles of carbon dioxide. That is 2 into 22.4 liters. आपको कितना दिया गया बेटा? 2 लीटर दिया गया है. 2 लीटर से आपको कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 22.4 liters. If it is giving 2 into 22.4 liters, 2 लीटर आपको देंगे. फिर से 2 लीटर. So your answer is 2 liters of carbon dioxide at STP. STP आप भूल मत जाओ, STP कंटिन्यू करें. और एक क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हैं इसमें. हाउ मच ऑफ एक्सेस रिएजेंट इज लेफ्ट? एक्सेस लेफ्ट कितना हो जाएगा? हाउ मच ऑफ एक्सेस रिएजेंट इज लेफ्ट? एक्सेस रिएजेंट यू कैन से दिस इज ऑक्सीजन इज एक्सेस हियर. ऑक्सीजन गिवन टू यू इज 2 liters बट रिक्वायर्ड इज ओनली 1 liter. सो 1 liter कंज्यूम हो गया तो आपको कितना बच जाएगा? 1 liter बच जाएगा. सो 1 liter इज लेफ्ट. एक्सेस लेफ्ट इज 1 liter. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो आप ये चॉकलेट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट से स्टार्ट कर लो, आराम से करते जाओ. ओके, लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. दिस इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. आराम से आप करो. कुछ भी डाउट्स है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख दो. आई विल गिव यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. अगर आपको कुछ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के लिए डाउट है तो यू कैन जस्ट पोस्ट देयर द क्वेश्चन यू पोस्ट देयर. आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन. एंड और कुछ भी कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए, any particular concept if you want in this kind of lighter vein mode, you can very comfortably ask in the comment section, right? Thank you bache. My dear students, have a wonderful time. Bye.